Hey, are you looking to build a home business in 2025? Well, this is your step-by-step guide on how to do that, right? So what I'm going to actually do is I'm going to go through how to build any kind of business online. Now, you might be coming online for the first time. You might not know what kind of business model you want to get involved in, and that's okay. You don't have to know exactly what business model you want to get involved in. I'm going to share with you the business model that has worked best for me, no matter what kind of business I want to build online. This will actually work for you, which is really cool. So below this video, you'll find this page, and this page actually will take you through a step-by-step way of how I went from zero to my first 100K online. And I'm going to break that down with you, and I'm not guaranteeing you any results. Your results are going to depend on your work ethic and your skill level, and you have to learn their skill sets to be able to actually produce results online. So that's an income disclaimer, and you have to be aware if you don't do any work at all, you're not going to get any results, right? A lot of people want to get every single product that they find, and they think that that's a solution. Then they go through the products and they realize that they're not getting the kind of results that they want to. And a lot of times the products aren't really that good. They're kind of crappy, and they don't really give you the information you need. They only give you parts of the information, and it's really good when you can have a in-depth breakdown of what to do. So that's what I'm going to do for you in this video. So basically, to build any kind of business online, your first step is to build your email list. Now, when you build an email list, you're basically getting people from your social media or from your content or from paid traffic or from however you're doing it onto your email list. So it could be a mix of different traffic strategies. You can use Facebook, YouTube, and email. Those are my favorite methods to be able to do marketing online. And when I'm shooting a video like this, I have capture pages below that look like this one right here, where people will put their name and their email and a contact phone number in for me to be able to contact them when they want more information. So this is called opt-in. So they put their name and their email in, they opt in, then they go to a sales page, and this is called a sales funnel. So this is what you use to be able to build your email list. Now, you need to be able to use high quality tools and things that actually pay you a very high residual income. Now, one-time commissions are fine, but residual income is what's going to build your income over time, because a residual income is basically when you get paid over and over from something you did one time. So you go and you make a sale and you get paid on that sale over and over again, right? And you could do this through when people are building what they want to build online. So it doesn't matter if they're in network marketing, it doesn't matter if they're in affiliate marketing, it doesn't matter if they have a storefront business, it doesn't matter if they're an accountant, it doesn't matter if they have a gym, it doesn't matter if they're a motivational speaker. These are all kinds of different people that I work with, helping them to build and grow their business online. And what if you could get paid for it through the tools, right? So you're looking at a page that I actually built with our funnel builder tool, and the funnel builder tool will pay you. So basically, this platform that I'm showing you right here, it gives you everything that you need to build any kind of business online. Now, it starts with a goal setting app. The goal setting app helps you to stay on track, write down a daily routine, and be able to accomplish your goals on a daily basis and get your mind right. Because if your mental health isn't in the right place, then you're not going to be able to get the kind of results that you want. You're going to have beliefs that are very limited, and you're not going to be able to really produce the way that you know that you can. And so this app right here helps you to do that. It's a productivity app. It's $10 per month. You get $8 per month in residual income. So that's what this app right here does, and it helps you to stay on track and everything like that. So when people buy it from you, you get $8 per month in residual income. Then we have the funnel builder tool, which I built my pages off of. The funnel builder tool, this is actually a course right here that teaches you how to build out pages, how to build out membership sites, how to build out sales funnels, how to build your own products, right? So when you're online, people buy information. So you can offer information products and you could offer the funnel builder tool. And this is the best funnel builder tool that I've ever used. Very easy to use, drag and drop. It's comparable to the ones like ClickFunnels or High Level if you're familiar with those. But it's only $25 per month, and you get training with it. So we show you different things. We show you how to use it. We show you how to set up your autoresponder. We show you how to get a business email. We show you how to get your domain and how to integrate it with your funnel. We show you how to do different things, how to create pages, how to optimize for mobile, how to create multiple funnels, how to do a hero page, which is like the page that you've seen that I showed you of me. It makes me look like a hero, right? And that's what you want for social media. Those hero pages are for social media. And so that's where you would use a page like that. Those aren't for paid traffic. So just keep that in mind when you're doing it. There's pages for traffic and pages for social media, right? A social media funnel shouldn't be used for paid traffic and vice versa, right? So we show you how to do different things, how to share your funnels with people who sign up with you, how to get a discount on Zoom. There's really cool stuff in here. How to create a membership site, how to do appointment booking, like you can have your own appointments if you want to have meetings with people, how to do upsells and downsells, how to sell your own products. There's plenty of stuff in here, and it's $25 per month. And that is your funnel builder tool, right? So you click here and you go to your funnel builder, and this allows you to easily build out pages and everything like that. And everything is drag and drop. So for $25 per month, you get this course right here that shows you how to do it, and you get the funnel builder itself, which helps you to build out pages for any kind of opportunity. So if people sign up with you, and let's say they're in network marketing, you're not in network marketing, you can still help them, and you get paid $20 per month when they use the funnel builder tool for $25. Now we have 2 weeks free of coaching as well. The coaching right here is daily hands-on coaching live by Zoom, and it shows you all your all your traffic strategies. So if you've been struggling to get traffic online, if you don't know what kind of business model you want to do, we show you different ways to get traffic. We show you how to launch your business. We show you how to invite people. We show you how to get unlimited leads on Facebook. We show you how to follow up with your leads. We show you how to do short form video. We show you how to rank your videos. We show you how to get more people to your YouTube channel. We show you how to use Facebook the right way. We show you how to do podcasting. We show you how to do Facebook Lives the right way. We show you all this stuff. We show you stuff about blogs, how to launch your own products, and everything is in here, right? So this portion right here, when you get the funnel builder tool, you get 2 weeks free of this portion right here. And we also have page strategies as well. So we show you low cost lead generation for local business. We show you how to do solo ads. We show you how to do text message marketing. We show you how to do YouTube automation, which is big right now. We show you how to do Facebook ads and Facebook video ads. So everything is in this right here. And then this is conversions, how to use the 13-point conversion formula, how to close your online leads, how to onboard your people. So if somebody signs up with you, how to get them started the right way, how to write emails that serve and sell, and how to do email promotion, right? So that's what this shows you right here. And then we have daily live hands-on coaching Monday through Friday. So imagine having a question and being able to get your questions answered every single day. So we have live hands-on coaching Monday through Friday, to where we will show you exactly what we're doing over the shoulder every single day live by Zoom. So you could come on, you can get your questions answered and everything like that. So you watch what we do over the shoulder, so you know exactly what to do. We do the stuff in front of you. We write emails. We show you how to record your videos, how to do it the right way, how to get them to rank, how to connect with people on social media, on things like Facebook. And it's very, very powerful stuff when you know how to do this the right way. And here's how you can actually make money online. So this portion right here, you get 2 weeks free of daily hands-on coaching. When you sign up, you check the box, you get 2 weeks free, and then it's going to pay you $100 per month in residual income. So pretty much with these three products right here, they're residual. You get $128 per month per sign up, and then you're able to build a residual income. So if you want to get to, let's say, $3,000 per month in residual income, then you would only need like 24 people that are using the tools and getting the coaching, and we pay you. So you're not coming out of pocket. Once you get 2 people, you're like $90 per month in profit, or $96 per month in profit when you have all the products right here, right? And then with this product right here, we show you how to manage your taxes in your business. We show you how to reduce your taxes, how to keep your records the right way when you're running your business. A lot of people don't know how to manage their business the right way, or how to get tax write-offs. There's tax write-offs and strategies and things like that in here. This teaches you all about finances. You could get this, and this is a course, and it continues to pay you as well. We show you things like financial literacy, how to eliminate debt, how to do tax stuff right here, how to plan for retirement, and then how to keep your records the right way. And then we show you strategies for investing, like how to avoid scams, how to do different things in the US, how to car flip, how to do mobile homes, how to do stress-free property management, how to house flip, and then how to do asset protection and things like that, right? So we show you these strategies, and this is a very, very good course. This last course right here is originally $1,000 one time, and you get an $800 commission when they get this. So you get $800 commissions on top of the $128 per month per sign up. So you get residual and one-time commissions. But when you first sign up, and let's say you sign up for everything all together, it would only cost you $500. You get a $500 discount, and you will be able to make $400 commission. So altogether, you're making $128 per month per sign up plus $400, right? So you can imagine 24 signups, how that builds up really, really quickly. And even if you don't know what you want to promote online yet, even though you don't know what you want to sell, it's fine, because you can actually offer these tools to people who already have a business online, and it really works very, very well. So that's what I would suggest to do for anybody looking to build a business online. You want something that is very, very high commission, and it doesn't cost a lot, right? So you're all in altogether is only $535, which is very, very cheap for an online business or any kind of business in general, right? You're typically going to spend more than that if you go and you start a business online or offline. Offline, especially because you need a storefront, you need everything like that. That could cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars. But with online business, you're actually saving money. And with this, we show you the strategy. So we show you how to do marketing. We give you the tools. We make sure your mind's right, and we show you how to keep the money that you have, right? So if you're looking for more information, make sure you click on the link below this video. It's going to take you to this page right here, and you're going to be able to find out more information on exactly how to build and grow your business online. And you're going to be able to watch actually, and find out more information, right? So just click on that link below this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any time that I upload new videos. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.